In this tutorial, we will show you how to replace Hayward skimmer gaskets. Start by draining your pool water below the skimmer faceplate. Now you can start to remove all the screws on the faceplate using a Phillips screwdriver. When you get to the last few screws, hold the backside of the skimmer bucket to prevent it from falling and cracking. Once all the screws are removed, take off the old faceplate and remove the bucket on the outside of the pool. You can now remove the old butterfly gasket. Please be mindful of the sharp edges on the wall. You are now ready to install the new gaskets. Carefully open both sides of the new butterfly gaskets and place one side inside of the wall and the other side outside of the wall. Line up the holes on the bucket, the gaskets, and the faceplate. Insert the screws and hand tighten with your Phillips screwdriver. You have successfully replaced your Hayward skimmer gasket. If you have any questions, contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.